Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a quick lesson about instantiate and prefabs in Unity. In our case, we'll be cloning the obstacles and some other objects later on. The objects that will be cloned are called prefabs. And what a prefab is, it's simply any game object in Unity that we want to save and use as an asset later on. For example, we can have this small circle become a prefab by selecting the game object and dragging it into the prefab folder. It will be listed with a blue cube next to its name, which is the icon for the prefabs. And all the options that we set here before will be saved once we drag it into the assets. Let's see how the structure of the instantiate function looks like. To do that, we'll be creating a new C# script. So right-click on your script folder, go to Create, C# script. And we can name it Obstacle Cloner. Double-click it to open it up in Visual Studio. The instantiate function takes 3 parameters, so this is what its structure looks like. First we have the name of the function, and inside of the brackets we are going to have 3 parameters separated by commas. The first will be the prefab that we want to instantiate, or in other words, it will be the object that we want to clone. The second parameter will be the location of where we want to put that cloned object. And the third parameter will be just the rotation, or how we want that clone to be rotated. Of course, this is just an example and it doesn't do anything at this moment. I just wanted you to see how an instantiate function looks like. We can go ahead and delete this right now, and in the next lesson we'll see some practical use of this function.